when someone retires, like what changes with them and how they need to think about their income and taxes?
It's funny. So I would say that most of the more complicated individual income tax returns in our office are for retired people. And it's because you don't just have a T4 and an RRSP anymore. Now you're pulling money from the RRSP. Now you're starting to, maybe liquidate some of your non-registered investments and triggering capital gains. You've got income from a wide variety of sources. The other thing too is, you are starting to think about like giving back so you start donating more, or you have more medical expenses, which is just a part of life. So it's a very different picture from when you go from an employee with a T4 to, a retiree with 6 different sources of income and a bunch of different deductions to itemize.
So let's talk about, like you said, there is a lot of complexity. Right? Because a lot of people are like, oh, I'm working, I need to save. And then they're like, okay, after that, I'm done. I'm good. It's like, no, it actually becomes a lot more complex because you have different buckets to pull from. So Yukio, walk me through the decision process and how you're helping retirees understand, okay, when do I take CPP OAS? When do I take from RSP? When do I flip it into a RIF? When do I take from a TFSA before or after non-register? Like, walk me through that type of decision-making process.
So a lot of this is individual specific. So once again, sitting down, what's your lifestyle? How much do you spend in a year? What's your health like? What's your life expectancy? Those are a lot of things that kind of boil down to, when do I want to take CPP? If you do have higher income, do I even bother taking OAS? There's always if you don't have a lot of income that requires a deduction, why not put that money into a TFSA? There's a lot of benefits there, especially with estate planning as well. Those are generally the main conversation points to kind of start developing a plan for the taxpayer themselves.
And like you said, the key is it's personalized, and it's worth a discussion, right, with someone who's qualified to help them through the different implications.